Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming exactly which Celestron hand controller you have and the current firmware version. This matters because different models require different files. Once done, make sure the telescope has stable power, either a fully charged battery or a 12V mains supply, because interruptions will corrupt firmware. Next, download the official Celestron updater and the correct firmware package to your computer. Place files in an easier-to-find folder so you can connect the device and start flashing without hunting for files. You now connect the hand controller to your computer with the proper cable, USB A to Mini or RS-232 adapter depending on model, and power the mount. Then open the Celestron updater, select the matching COM port or device entry, and load the firmware file you downloaded. Once you start the transfer, watch progress carefully. The updater will show steps and percentages. Make sure you do not disconnect cables or power off the telescope while flashing, because that will leave the controller unusable. After the update finishes, you should reboot the hand controller and the mount. This activates the new firmware. Once restarted, go into the controller menu and verify the firmware version matches the file you installed. Then run a quick alignment and a small test slew to confirm functionality. If anything goes wrong, failed transfer, stuck boot, or odd behavior, try the update again with a different USB cable or port and re-download the firmware to ensure the file wasn't corrupted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.